Welcome to Yin Yoga for better sleep. This is a slow, gentle yoga practice where we will hold the poses for around 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need any props and you can even practice directly in your bed and go to sleep when you finish the practice. Let's begin with the butterfly position. Bring the soles of the feet together. Open the knees. Your heels can be closer or further away from the groin. Hold your ankles, sit up a little taller. Take a big breath in and breathe out, bend forward, allow your spine to round. Let your head drop if that's comfortable on the neck. If not, just keep your head lifted. You can keep holding your feet or ankles, or thread your arms underneath your legs. Turn your palms to face up. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, and once you do so, find some stillness. Close your eyes and notice what you feel here. Maybe there is some stretch around the hips and lower back. Maybe some sensations on the upper back. Simply notice. And then scan your whole body and notice if you're holding tension anywhere. Maybe you're unconsciously clenching your jaw, tensing the shoulders, gripping the hips. Soften your whole body. Let it become heavier and sink down towards the mat or bed underneath you. With every breath, releasing physical, emotional, mental tension. Letting go of everything that no longer serves you at this moment. Slowly roll your spine up into seated position. Maybe roll your shoulders back a few times, move the head side to side. And we will continue with a deer or a sleeping swan position. Pull your left heel closer towards your groin and take your right leg back. For deer pose, keep your back leg bent. Lean forward to your front leg, staying up on your hands or coming down to the forearms. For sleeping swan or pigeon, as you might know it from other styles of yoga, straighten your right leg back. And again, stay up on your hands or lower down to the forearms. Maybe even all the way down. Release your forehead to your hands. Just intuitively find the position where you feel some stretch around the hips and that feels good on the knees. A position where your breath can continue to flow freely and your whole body can soften. Relax your face, soften the eyes and eyebrows, soften your cheeks and jaw. Relax the shoulders, arms, hands, all the fingers. Soften your upper, mid and lower back. Relax your hips, legs, feet and all the toes. Stay here in stillness for a few more moments. Slowly make your way out of this pose, come up to your hands and take it to the other side. Bring your right leg forward, right heel towards the groin, left leg back with your knee bent or the leg straight. It can be the same or slightly different position on the other side. And you can switch between the poses anytime if you feel the need. It's okay to feel some deep stretch, but you shouldn't feel any pain in these poses. If you feel pain, just back off a little or come out totally from the pose. Once you're in a comfortable position on this side, resolve to stay still. Find the stillness in the body and in the mind. It's normal that the mind starts to wander. Some thoughts begin to come up. Try to not engage in your thoughts at this moment. Let them just float by. Try to stay in this moment with your body, with your breath. Slowly make your way up. Straighten your legs out in front of you. Maybe circle the ankles or do any other movement to release the hips. And when you're ready, lay down on your back for spinal twists. Bend your knees, straighten your arms out to the sides in line with the shoulders. Shift your hips a little to the left and lower the knees to the right. You can bring your right hand on top of your left knee to weight the knee down a little. The gaze goes up to the ceiling or turn your head to your left hand. And here again, soften your whole body. Notice your breath flowing in and out. The air entering your nostrils, traveling down into the chest and belly. And on the exhale, traveling back through the chest and out of the nostrils. Slowly bring your legs back to center and switch sides. Shift your hips to the right, lower the knees to the left. Maybe place your left hand on top of the right knee. Turn your head to the right. And stay in stillness on this side for a few more moments. Slowly return your legs and head back to center. If you are in bed, you can switch off the video now and go to sleep. If you are coming up with me, take one more big full body stretch. Roll over to your favorite side and slowly come up into seated position. Close your eyes here. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open the eyes to finish this practice. I hope you enjoyed this short yin yoga class. I wish you good night and see you soon in the next video.